Okay, here's a creek in North America with runoff from a massive greenhouse collection, which is right over there. And here's the creek, and look at it, it's yellow with slime mold. And this goes on for probably a quarter mile up here. Further down there's no slime mold, further down. So it's just right here where all the runoff from the greenhouses, I assume, is feeding this Protiste called slime mold, yellow iridescent slime mold. So this could be one giant cell, one organism that's divided up, split up. Was on the bottom, but at the warmer weather it's risen to the top. Sorry about the traffic, but it's right on a major road here. Okay, so you can see the slime mold going way up there as far as you can see, and right down to below my feet here. So a huge mass, probably weighing tons, quarter mile long. And again, this is slime mold. Little interesting to think that it's probably fed by the runoff from the greenhouses, which obviously use a lot of chemicals, including pesticides, sulfates, phosphates, etc. Fertilizer. Okay, there you go. If you're not scared by this, please think about it. I am. Okay. Sorry about the pessimism, but I'm seeing more and more of this. Never saw it when I was a kid, but more and more and more. It's happening, and I'll keep you up to date. Over and out.